Welcome back as we conclude this program with a discussion of common seal failures. Seals may fail for two basic reasons, that is, from poor fitting procedures or from the conditions under which they are working. Let's discuss poor fitting procedures. Here are some tools that you should not use when replacing oil seals. Sharp or pointed tools should be avoided at all times. Use only correct fitting tools which contact the seal in such a way that pressure is only exerted against the outer edges of the seal. If the tool is too narrow, it will dish the seal, rendering it useless. Another common fitting fault is known as cocking the seal. In such a case, the seal has not been installed level. The sealing element will not run true and will thereby allow dirt to enter and oil to leak out. It will also strip the rubber from the metal insert on bonded seals. Always ensure that the seal is flush all around the case or body of the seal housing. Premature seal lip wear is another well-recognized problem. Not taking the time to clean parts properly, carelessness, and working in dirty conditions will cause grit to grind away the contact surface, again resulting in leakage. Make a special effort to keep parts clean to avoid contaminating internal moving parts. Let's now discuss faults caused by running conditions. The most probable reason for early seal failure after correct fitting is that the wrong seal was selected. Always ensure that you fit the specified or recommended oil seal. Leakage past an oil seal may occur either at the seal lip itself or from the housing bore. Check where the oil is leaking from before you dismantle the equipment. Where leakage occurs between the seal and the housing bore, it is more than likely that the seal's outer bonding has been damaged, caused by high spots, cracks in the housing itself, or the surface finish being too rough to allow an effective seal around the outside edges. Leakage past the sealing lip could be due to grooving or pitting of the shaft, caused from excessive dirt or dust in the environment. Don't overlook other possible causes of leakage. A prime area of problem is a blocked breather, which was mentioned earlier in the program. Incorrect oil level, that is, overfilling of oil, will also impose excess internal pressure against an oil seal. Always maintain correct oil levels and always use the recommended grade of oil. Excessive operating temperature will tend to cause sealing elements to become brittle. This leads to scoring of the shaft and rapid deterioration of the sealing effect. Remember to lubricate the sealing surfaces on installation. This prevents early failure caused by overheating from lack of lubrication. Mechanical problems such as a distorted shaft, worn bearings, or excessive shaft end float will also contribute to early failure of an oil seal. Such conditions should be rectified promptly. Proper machine maintenance and good fitting practices are the only preventatives of premature seal failure. Practice the techniques described in this program to ensure that you are not the cause of any machine breakdown through improper seal maintenance. This concludes the basic oil seal maintenance program. Join us again in other Tech AV training programs.